All right, we're here in the morning. Very windy this morning, aggravatingly windy. But it's quite pretty, and sunny, so that's nice, and not as cold as I was worried it was going to be. I feel like it's warmer now than it was when I got to camp yesterday. Maybe that's all sun. But also, wanted to just go through and do a quick, where I have everything kind of stashed on the bike. So, down here in the forks, chair, tent. I've got like a couple of problem solver little things that there's are looped through. Seem to stay quite secure. In the bag up front, I've got some tools, knife up there. In here at the bottom, I've got my pump, which is kind of sitting across the back of it. My sleeping bag sitting all the way at the bottom, which takes up like the space exactly. And then in here, I've got my pump. I've got the cook kit here, my pillow, and my sleeping pad. So basically, like the whole sleeping kit is in here. Convenient because it's voluminous but not particularly heavy, so it's nice to have on the front bars. On the sides, I've got my toiletries over here, including the poop trowel and all that good stuff. And then over here I have other tools, so rope, water filter, spare bike tools, because anything of that, the Wawa plastic bag. I've got like a couple of just plastic bags just in case I need them, for things like using as an impromptu whatever you call it, covering, poncho. There we go. In case I want to do that, or on the way down if I want to take my shoes off, because I know that I'm going to be going through a couple of puddles, and switch over to my sandals, then I can put my shoes in the bag to try and keep them from getting wet if that's a risk. Obviously water bottles. And in the back, I've got basically stuffed all my clothes as far back in as I can, then the food on top of that. I also moved my electronics back there today. I had them in the front earlier, and all that good stuff. Speaker kind of attached to the top, your dangle, and my sandals. Don't have anything on the back. It would be kind of hard for me to do that, because of where the pedal goes. It would definitely heel or hit my heel, but that's the, oh yeah, right. And then I've got this guy up here, just like snacks. I've got spare gloves in case it gets cold, which I was very happy to have last night. And yeah, that's where we are.